Alright, it's EKD again, and I'm here to bring a very important lesson today. How to choose the perfect color for a brand. Alright,
welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share. Welcome once again to this channel. Enjoy.
how to choose the perfect color for a brand. Alright, we're going to see how important colors can be, or how far colors can go to telling what a brand represents. Alright, this is going to help you make that perfect decision. What you should do first, you need to consider the niche. Alright, what do they do? Because that will greatly determine the kind of colors you use. Is it a tech brand? Is it a brand that has to do with with food? For instance, if it's a food brand, you might likely want to use bright colors. All right, and why do they use this color? Most times this color give you appetite. All right, so if it's a food brand, you have to use attractive colors. What if it's a women campaign brand? All right, if it's a women campaign brand, you know what to use already. You might likely want to use pink. All right, so that's what we're talking about. The next thing you want to consider, number 2 on the list, is that you want to consider the brand personality. Every brand has its own personality. All right, you might be in same niche with other brands, but every brand has their own unique personality that the owner of the brand wants it to portray. So you don't want to deviate from that personality. What you just do is to look at it. What is the personality of the brand? Is it a brand that is welcoming? Is it a brand that does not open its doors to the public? So you have to think about that. Is it a very friendly brand? So that would determine the kind of color you use. If it's a very friendly brand, you don't want to use black. Black might just be something that is private. So if it's a very friendly brand, you want to use friendly colors. All right, like orange, like yellow. You want to use those kind of colors. So the personality will greatly determine. Another kind of personality brand might just have, is it premium? Is it a premium brand? Is it a premium brand? So if it's a premium brand, you want to use colors like black. You want to use colors like white, like gold. All right, those are luxurious colors. All right, so you want to use this kind of colors to portray that the brand is premium. So that's what you do. You just basically consider the personality of the brand. So that's for that. There are other examples, but we're not going to take it on this video. Maybe some other time we're going to go deep into it. All right, so the third one is that you want to consider color psychology. What does the color mean psychologically?